Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Drive, Google, and signing into the Google account that will host the files. Once done, collect the files and place them into a single, clearly named folder so sharing is simple. Make sure you have enough storage and that no file is blocked by policy. This avoids later errors. Then right-click the folder, choose Share, and prepare to set link access. This step moves you from setup to actionable sharing in one flow. Now adjust the sharing controls so everyone can reach the content. Click Get Link and change access to anyone with the link if public access is desired. Otherwise, add specific emails. Next, select the appropriate role: viewer for read-only, commenter to allow feedback, or editor to permit edits. Once ready, consider advanced options. Set an expiration date on access, disable downloads for sensitive files, and use a password gateway if you require extra protection. These choices balance Finish by copying the shareable link and testing it in an incognito window to confirm public access works as intended. Once verified, distribute the link by email, chat, or embed it on a page. If someone reports they can't access files, first check the folder's permissions and whether the file owner belongs to a restricted organization. Transfer ownership or change organization sharing settings if necessary. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.